Hello guys, welcome to Vitesse Communication channel. In one of my video, I explained the effects of broken touchpad. What will happen to a mobile phone if your flex is broken? Remember, in my last video, I explained to you guys what flex is all about. Flex is a part of a mobile phone that connects both the up panel and the down panel. So the flex transmits information from the main board or the motherboard to the substitute panel. And I explained to you what will happen to your mobile phone if that flex is being broken or cut. We talk something like speaker would not work, earpiece would not work, charging point will have problem, even network and even mouthpiece they will have problem. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what will not happen to your mobile phone if your flex is being broken. That is what we want to discuss in today's video. If you haven't subscribed to Vitesse Communication channel, try and do that. Follow our Facebook page, follow us on TikTok, follow our official Instagram handle. Without further ado, let's go. Okay, one, your camera will work even your flex is being broken. Your camera will work. Those camera there, they will work in your mobile phone. What about your flash? Your flash will still be working. The fingerprint sensor will still be working. Your fingerprint will work. Your battery can be able to on the phone. The screen clip will still be able to work. What about your front camera? They will equally work. Your earpiece, they will work. Even if your flex is being broken, they will work. The
Before I
network,
forget, another thing is that your power flex will still work,
So
even
that's
if the
it.
flex is being broken. Even if your the connecting flex is being broken, your power flex will still work. So thank you guys for sticking with us till the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitesse Communication channel. See you in my next video. Bye.